Welcome to Blockchain Basics Part 2, where we break down everything that happens in the blockchain world in a way that we can all understand. As I said in Part 1, a blockchain is like a ledger, a notebook, or a diary that everybody has access to, and we can all write stuff in it that happens. So let's say I write down what happened today, like Cedric goes to church, in my notebook. Everybody gets a copy to see it, and while I'm writing down stuff, other people are writing down stuff. So everything that's written in the past like 15 minutes is bundled together into what we call a block. That block is sent to many computers or people to verify that what happened actually did happen. After we've verified that block is connected to the most previously approved set of events, and it creates a chain. Hence the name blockchain. For more information about this stuff, watch the Mazu Mindset.